So hey guys, in this video I will tell you about the Snapchat's new feature which is going to be very useful for many Snapchat users. So first of all you have to open your Snapchat application and then tap on your profile. After then tap on the settings icon which is available in the top right side. So guys here you will get to see your option of keyboard extension. Tap on this option. So as you tap on this option you have to tap on the choose keyboard option. So as you tap on the choose keyboard option, first of all you have to activate the Snapchat's keyboard. So as you activate, then tap on choose keyboard option. Here you have to select the Snapchat's keyboard, like you can see here. You have to tap on this option. So as you tap on this option and tap on OK option, then your phone's keyboard will be the Snapchat's keyboard. Like for example, if you chat with someone or your friend, then you will get to see the Snapchat's keyboard. And the benefit of this feature is that you can use your Snapchat Bitmoji stickers in any platform like Instagram or WhatsApp. Like you can see here, you will get to see all the Snapchat Plus stickers and all the Snapchat Bitmoji stickers. And guys, if you want to disable this feature, so for example, first of all you have to tap on the Snapchat this icon, and as you tap on this icon, select your Gboard or any other keyboard which you are previously using. So as you tap on the that particular keyboard and tap on OK option, your previous keyboard will be back, like you can see. So guys, if you have any questions or doubt, please comment on this video. Must like and subscribe to our channel to get more interesting and informative videos like this.